Once again, we see a very weak reaction just when the SPY and the QQQ are trading dangerously close to their support levels. So in today's video, we're gonna take a look at what to expect next from the market and what are the main inflection points to watch out for. You are watching the Finance Hydra channel where you get analysis without bias. Every single day, we are here discussing technical analysis and practical strategies to use in the market without emotions and without betting on the market, because everything here is based on strategy. My name is Nathan. Welcome to another daily study. Now, yes, the SPY is not reacting well. We are still making another bearish candlestick pattern today. Now, you may say, but Nathan, we are going up today right now. We are up 0.05%. Well, to be fair, we are roughly on break-even right now, and still, it does not change the fact that today's candle is quite bearish over here. What's more, we failed miserably in breaking the main resistance level at the $600. Alright, as I told you guys yesterday, only by breaking the $600, only by making a true breakout of this resistance area, we could see a meaningful, a major reversal on the short term and even on the medium term as well. Alright, meaning on the 1 hour and on the daily charts. Only by doing so, only by making such breakout, we could see something new on the SPY. Right now, there is no technical evidence supporting a bullish thesis over here. We are still going down. We are just stabilizing our prices. At least we are stabilizing our prices above the previous support level at 590s, which is a good thing, okay? It is a good signal, but it is still not enough to convince us, at least, that yes, the SPY will truly reverse or make an amazing, phenomenal bottom signal over here, and that we are going to react and seek the all-time high again. No, it is too soon to tell, but guys, remember, the $600. By breaking this resistance level, yes, we could recover and seek higher levels, but so far, we gotta wait for more confirmation. Okay, it all depends on confirmation. That's the main difference between amateurs and professionals. As Jess Livermore, one of the greatest traders that ever lived, once said, real traders, real speculators, they don't gamble in this market. They only react when they see confirmation. Therefore, this is what we are going to do right here, right now. We're going to wait for more confirmation. Here on the QQQ, we see a similar movement. The QQQ is stabilizing its price above the support level around 511. Okay, good, interesting. But today's reaction is not a bottom signal yet. Alright, what's more, we are still below many resistance levels. Just like the SPY, we are below the 21-day EMA, the exponential moving average on the daily chart over here, which is right now pointing downwards, and it could easily be another resistance level for the QQQ. What's more, we are below the 522, another inflection point that it is very important for it to break, because by breaking the 522, by breaking the 21-day EMA, the QQQ will break a double resistance level over here, suggesting more bullish continuation. Now, if you ask me, Nathan, are you more bullish or bearish in this context? Well, again, there is no bullish confirmation, all right? There is no bullish confirmation. On the other hand, we are still above a critical support level, 511, just like the SPY, all right? We are still above the 590s, but we have yet to break our next major resistance levels. But if I were to bet, and again, we never bet in this market, but if I were to say, I would say that the market is still slightly more bullish than bearish on the long term, because on the weekly chart we see the SPY retesting a double support level made by this purple trend line, which is here since October 2023, and of course by retesting the 21 weekly moving average again. The last time we saw a retest of this moving average and of this trend line was right here on January this year. All right, so right now, if you ask me, we are just correcting back to a double support level on the long term, just like the QQQ. Okay, the QQQ is also above, retesting the 21 weekly moving average. In theory, if you ask me, yes, the QQQ still could drop a little bit more, maybe to retest the $500 support level, which was a previous top level over here, support level over here, and it is very close to this purple trend line as well. Therefore, by losing the 21 weekly moving average, yes, the QQQ will have more downside left, maybe to retest this double support level over here. All right, but guys, excuse me, but guys, in this context, we are still in bullish territory. All right, we are still trading above our long-term support levels. Therefore, okay, so far so good. Now, how this is going to affect our stocks? Because right now, as far as I know, we see Nvidia in a very delicate situation, right? It is going to report earnings today. Right now in the post market, it is dropping a little bit, right? Roughly 2%. The volatility will probably increase in this context, but only tomorrow we'll have a more interesting signal to react over here, okay? But because so far, yes, Nvidia is trying to make a bottom signal above the 130s support level, which we have been talking about here in this channel for many weeks now. This key point is critical for Nvidia. If tomorrow or maybe today in the post market we see Nvidia collapsing, yes, we could retest the 115 again. All right, and that would be a very good place to buy, because we are going to buy near a crystal clear support level. All right, always buy near support levels, sell near resistance levels, buy near support levels. Right now we are on the verge of losing the support level, but Nvidia is trying to react. Okay, Nathan, what if Nvidia explodes tomorrow? What if Nvidia seeks higher levels? We have a major resistance level around the 142. Okay, this is gonna be our next major resistance level. On the other hand, again, the 115s is going to be our next support level. So it all depends on which key point Nvidia will hit first. Okay, if we see Nvidia reaching the 142 again, and if we see another top signal, another sell signal, yes, we could see Nvidia collapsing to lower levels. Maybe it will be another shorting opportunity, but guys, again, so far right now, with the information we have right here today, it is too soon to tell. I recommend you guys to wait a little bit more. Okay, let's wait for the situation to stabilize, because we never know how Nvidia is going to react after earnings. Every single earnings is a bet, okay? So, and again, as I always tell you guys, we never bet. We are professional traders. We trade with a clear strategy, and according to my trading philosophy, I don't like to bet during earnings, okay? I do not, my strategy does not support the volatility during earnings. I do not like it. Therefore, let's wait for more confirmation, okay? The last time we bought Nvidia was down here, right? Was a phenomenal trade, phenomenal trade. We already sold it, all right? We sold over here, but we did capture a fantastic movement of roughly 13% in a few days. So right now, guys, let's wait a little bit more. Another opportunity will certainly appear. Okay, opportunities appear every single time in this market, and this is one of the reasons why I love the US stock market so much. We always see something interesting nearly every single day. I see a new opportunity over here. I scan dozens of stocks every single day, and I always share the best opportunities on our Telegram channel. And guys, yes, you can join our trading group and get access to our exclusive trading signals by becoming a member of our educational project, the 5% project. There I give you clear trading signals with entry points, where to buy, why to buy, where to sell for a profit, where to sell if you make a loss, all right? All in detail for our members. We have a very good strategy which has provided excellent results for our students. There I teach you how to trade with discipline and professionalism. It is completely free to try. It's free to try. Learn from us, see how we trade, and then decide whether if you want to join us for real or not later. Cancel whenever you want, all right? No strings attached, but come and meet us, know our work. We are almost 200 traders trading like professionals together, following a reliable and stress-free method. Just take a look at our website. The link is in this video's description, okay? Right here below in the description, all right? So you can trade with us, you can follow our strategies. It is going to be very good. Maybe Nvidia will show us another fantastic opportunity in the next few days. Now, Tesla, on the other hand, Tesla is not making a good opportunity right now. I do not see anything interesting. It is, to me at least, it is not a buy, it is not a sell. We are too far away from our resistance levels, from the 21-day EMA, from these key points over here. We are too far away from these resistance levels, all right? So it is not a good sell. What's more, it is not a good buy either. Okay, because we lost all of these support levels. We lost this support level right here today. All right, we truly lost it around the 309. We are losing the $300 as well, which is a very important psychological support level, right? A round number. It is a critical key. It was a critical key point for Tesla. Right now, we are losing it as well. Therefore, guys. And what's more, we do not see any bullish reaction over here. There is not a single one. Today, we saw just another bearish candlestick pattern over here. We are not reacting. Now, if you ask me, Nathan, what's Tesla's next support level? It is this gap over here. Remember, gaps work as magnets when trends reverse, and right now Tesla is officially bearish on the daily chart, making lower highs, lower lows, right? As long as we don't see higher highs, higher lows, Tesla will remain bearish, and this gap around 255, 255, it is going to be our next target on Tesla, okay? It is not reacting. It is completely rejecting any possibility of a bullish case. Therefore, yes, Tesla is not a good buy right here, right now. And what we see right here on Tesla today is one of the best examples of how important the importance of setting stop losses, all right, guys? Because we did buy Tesla over here. We tried to capture a bottom signal in Tesla. We failed miserably, but again, since we follow a very nice strategy and since we follow a very good risk management, our loss was minimal. What's more, we were near a support level, so yes, the risk reward ratio was at its peak, and on the weekly chart we were reacting above the 21 weekly moving average. So we had nothing, absolutely nothing that we do in this market is without a crystal clear and a very good reason, okay? We always have very good reasons to do what we do. Every single step we take is carefully thought. All right, we are always planning with extremely caution because, well, us retail traders, we gotta respect our money, all right? Therefore, we always proceed very carefully, and yes, it did trigger our stop loss below the 325 down here, and right now, it keeps dropping, okay? It keeps dropping. If we didn't know where our stop loss was in the first place, well, we would be losing more than 11% below the previous support level. So Guys, always know where your stop loss and where your target are going to be even before you place the trade, okay? Even before I send you guys the signals, the trading signals, I always know where to take profits, where to set the stop loss, etc. All right, so again, if you want to join us and if you want to trade like a true professional, join our Telegram channel. The link to my website is in this video's description, okay? Now, and yes, every single one of our previous trades are there, okay? I do not delete our previous trades, our winners, our losses, they're all there. You can just take a look for yourself. It is totally free to try, all right? Now, AMD. As I'm doing this right here, right now, you guys can see we continue the bearish sentiment. Right now, we are clearly losing the previous support level, making another bearish pivot point. Now, as I told you guys, in theory, AMD's next support level is the $100, all right, which is a psychological key point, a round number. The market has a thing for round number, etc. But right now, there is not a meaningful bullish reaction right here, right now, today. Yes, we are up 0.75%, but considering we are talking about Nvidia, we are talking about AMD, it is a very weak movement. What's more, today's candle is still bearish, so it is not a good reaction, all right? If we see AMD breaking the 106 tomorrow, closing above it by Friday, okay, fantastic. But right now, with the information we have today, it is just collapsing. The $100 is our next psychological support level. All right, now Palantir. This one is also not reacting properly. I know we are up 1.69%, but today's reaction alone is not a bottom signal yet. What's more, if you ask me, I would be happier to see Palantir closing this gap over here, okay, around $84. I would be way happier in this context, but if tomorrow we see a very good, meaningful, bullish reaction again, yes, maybe we're gonna see a bottom signal over here, but bear in mind that any bounce to the 21-day EMA, to the $100 over here, could be just another dead cat bounce to retest this resistance level over here. So we gotta be extremely careful in this context, all right? Because a bounce could be just another dead cat bounce. Now, on the weekly chart, Palantir deserves a sharper correction, if you ask me, back to the 21 weekly moving average. But who knows? Maybe Palantir will react above this gap support level. It is a possibility, but as long as we stay below this double resistance level over here, Palantir is not going to make a meaningful bullish confirmation signal to us. All right, Palantir will maintain its bearish sentiment, and any sign of a top below this resistance level could be another short opportunity. So we gotta be very careful, all right? Palantir is a very promising stock. I do like it a lot, but we deserve, apparently we are correcting, and we have yet to reach a few support levels. Let's see how it is going to behave tomorrow. And of course, tomorrow I will be here, guys, because we are here every single day. And this is one of the reasons why you should subscribe to this channel. If you are still watching this video for nearly 18 minutes right now and you're not a subscriber, dude, you did like the content. I know it. You know it. Everybody knows it. So come on, subscribe to this channel and click the like button to support me. All right. I'm here every single day sharing exclusive content to you guys, sharing analysis without bias, without panicking everybody over here, right? So always discussing strategy, key points, inflection points, what to do, what to expect next. So this is the kind of content you will receive every single day in this channel. So again, subscribe and click the like button as well, because your like is very important. All right, and the Apple, I do like Apple a lot. On the 5% project, we bought Apple 2 times recently. We bought here when we saw this bottom signal, we sold over here near the resistance level, and we bought over here again, and we sold over here as well. All right, so right now, if you ask me, Apple is making another pullback. If we see any bottom signal, any bullish reaction above the 21-day EMA, I will certainly share another buy signal on our Telegram channel. All right, I will probably do that. And but right now we are not reacting. Okay, right now we are still making a pullback. Nathan, what if we lose this 21-day EMA of yours? If we lose this moving average, well, Apple is not going to be a buy. Apple is going to continue to drop, maybe to retest this support area over here around 227, or in the worst case scenario, we are gonna make a sharper correction all the way down to the 221 down here, which is a very critical support level observed on the weekly chart, and it is the possible neckline of this possible head and shoulders chart pattern. All right, so this key point is going to be extremely important for Apple. If we see Apple losing it, well, okay, we're gonna trigger a long-term reversal chart structure suggesting that Apple is going to enter bear market, truly bear market, all right? But for now, let's just wait for more signals, okay? Again, remember, guys, trading is not supposed to be stressful, okay? It is not supposed to be stressing. We are supposed to react to what we see. Trading is reactive. It is not predictive. We can't predict the future, but we can react properly to what we see right here, right now. And right here, right now, no meaningful bullish reaction. So let's just wait. We can afford to wait, right? Us retail traders, we can do that. We can simply wait and see for a better opportunity, or maybe we can wait, or maybe we can hunt for better opportunities elsewhere. All right, therefore, yes, sure, Apple is a wait right now. Regarding IWM, this one is doing what Apple could do, okay? Because this one lost this purple trend line. It is losing momentum. Yes, it is. It is not looking good. On the daily chart, I'm so sorry, on the weekly chart, we see this head and shoulders chart pattern, and right now we are retesting the neckline of this head and shoulders chart pattern. If we lose the 215, if we truly lose this support level, leaving the support level behind above the price, we are going to trigger this gigantic head and shoulders. And in this context, yes, we could easily seek lower levels, all right, much lower levels, because we are going to trigger a meaningful, dangerous, long-term bearish reversal chart structure on IWM. Therefore, if we were to react, now would be the best time for us to see a bullish reaction, for us to see a bottom signal. What's the problem? The problem is that there is no bottom signal yet, all right? And it is funny because we have been trying to nail a good trade here on IWM since January, I believe, right? We did buy over here the last time, and we sold over here, but guys, right now it is completely frustrating. It is not making any meaningful bullish reaction, so it is not a buy yet. I know we are right around a critical support level, but we do not see any confirmation yet. And again, remember, amateurs, they try to gamble in the market. They try to trade without confirmation. We wait for confirmation. And right now, there is no meaningful confirmation yet, but maybe we will see tomorrow. Let's see, right? Only time will tell. And guys, again, consider subscribing this channel and join the 5% project to trade with us. Join our community, join our amazing trading room where we see many amazing opportunities together. All right, just take a look over there. The link to my website is in this video's description. Thank you so much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow as usual. Stay safe. Bye bye.